actually morning, but it's like my morning because I just decided to get out of bed. But I'm probably gonna go right back into bed. But this video is sponsored by XSY, and I wanted to show you my entire day of my morning routine, my nighttime routine, my day in Toronto. I live in Toronto now! I live downtown Toronto and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys everything. I'm gonna show you how I get ready in the morning. But today, honestly, like I finished my exam yesterday, so I'm not feeling too active. I just want to lay in bed all day, but I do need to buy something to eat because I don't really have food at home. Or like more so I don't want to eat what's at home. So I'm gonna go out, go boba hunting and food hunting. So, or coffee. Probably I don't need coffee. I should probably take a break with coffee. Oh, I'm also going to show you my outfit, obviously, and my makeup. There's so much to show you. But I'm going to pray really quickly because I just brushed and did my wuzu. So like, I can pray right now. And after that, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. So after I prayed, I decided to use a sheet mask. This is the Green Vital Energy Complex by XSY as well. I've been currently binging BoJack Horseman again on Netflix. This is like my comfort show. I watch it whenever I need to relax, and today I decided to have like a full relax, stay in bed in broad daylight situation. I really like this mask because it really suits my skin and it just calms me down. I don't know if it's more psychological or actually physical, but I also like to use the excess serum or essence, I guess, and put it on my hand, and it makes my skin look incredible. I don't know if my routine is considered extra, but this is my current routine. I usually only do the sheet mask when I have time, but when I don't, I go in with the dark spot correcting glow serum from XSY first. As you can see, I've already used up a lot. I really like the formula of it. It's very liquidy. The main ingredient is niacinamide. I'll list out the main ingredients here, but look at the formula. It goes into your skin so easily, and I have been suffering with some dark like my acne spots. Sometimes they don't fade away as quickly as they used to, so this has been helping with that. And it's just like a really good ingredient. Honestly, niacinamide is something that we should all have in our routine. But the other ones I've tried, I just don't like the formula as much. Like this one gets into your skin so easily and so quickly. When I tell you, I'm obsessed with this product. So this is the Sarah Hart My Type Duo Cream. Guys, when I tell you, I'm so obsessed with this. I use this every day and night. So it's one of those duo creams where you have two sides. I hope you can see this properly. And then you have this little scoopy thing. And then, oh my god, so this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me adjust the camera so you can see everything. You have the gel side, and I use just the teensy bit of this one. And I apply the gel one on my T-zone area. So the main ingredient here is heart leaf, and it controls excess oil, defends bacteria and fungi, and prevents sun damage. And then, while I still have the product open, I scoop a little bit of this side. As you can see, like I've used so much of this already. It was full in the beginning. And I put that on the rest of my face. It's made for combination skin. Make sure that your T-zone doesn't get too oily. And I don't know, it's just like the perfect formula. I am so obsessed with this, you have no idea. So there are two main ingredients here. One is ceramide, which helps lock in moisture, and then there is the pure medi that helps enhance production of collagen. So I usually blend in the T-zone area first, and the gel one, it goes into your skin really quickly. It's much more lightweight compared to the other side of it. So far, it's just a very unproblematic moisturizer for me. So after that is dissolved into my skin, I go in with an eye cream. My current eye cream go-to is the Versed Vacation Eye Brightening Eye Gel. It's a gel as well. I really do like using gel on my skin. Honestly, like I'm almost done with this as well. I just use like a dot. And I blend that in on the bottom as well as on top, and especially like the edge of my eyes. So for my lip balm, in the daytime, I use the Bliss Sticks lip balm that has ultraviolet protection as well. I used to not like this at all, but now it's like getting better. And at night I use the one that has no sunscreen. This is the sunscreen I use. You cannot even see it anymore. It is the Murad, something to do with like city something. I'll list the name here. I don't know, but it's the best sunscreen formula I've tried so far. And it doesn't sensitize my skin. It's pretty safe for sensitive skin. Okay, so that's my skincare routine. I'm going to do my makeup and then I'm gonna pick out an outfit. I'm gonna do my makeup off camera. Maybe I'll show you guys another time, but I'll... Anyways, bye. Okay, so I just finished my makeup. This is the look. It's simple but pretty, I guess. Brisky, why are you so short though? Like, why are you so short? This is my closet. It's really small, but I am grateful. Thank you. Sorry, the lighting is bad. I am well aware. Should we do like casual? I can do like... Ooh, I have cute tees that I want to wear, but... Hey Siri! What's the weather today?
It's currently raining and 26 degrees.
26? That is hot.
Temperatures are heading down from 26 degrees to 19 tonight.
I think I'm gonna wear these sweatpants, butterfly top from Shein, and butterfly pants from Shein as well. And I will put it on right now. Completely didn't wear what I said I was gonna wear. I'm wearing the same pants, but I'm just wearing a top I got from pretty sure Garage like years ago. And I'm wearing just like a normal black hijab. I'm gonna deck it out with some jewelry and accessories. I'll show you. I have these glasses, and then I have these two necklaces. Let me just put them on really quickly. This is from Adina & Co. Check it out. I feel like I need earrings. Yeah, I'm gonna find some earrings to wear. Hold on. Today, this is what I'm gonna smell like. This is the Rouge perfume from Ascendo. It smells... I don't know how to describe it. It's a little too mature for me. Like, I am 21, but I don't like behave very maturely, so I think it's a little too mature for me, but it is really, really nice. So I do like it. Anyways, this is the fit. It's like casual, but not. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna go out. I'm not quite sure where I want to eat yet, but we'll go find something. And there's this boba place that I really want to try, so we're gonna find something. This is the fit. There's like a bunch of churches downtown too. There's literally a church street, but it's actually really nice for a walk because it's like summer, but it's windy. I realized there's like a Japanese makeup store over there that I want to go to. I'm young right now and there are like a lot of things to do here, but I'm almost at the boba place, so I'm just looking for food here. I got this from Mochi Mochi. It's so cute! There's a lot of boba stores here, but a girl can only have so much boba. I saw Hello Guys, but I don't know if I want Hello Guys today. Another Japanese makeup store place. There's a lot of Japanese beauty in this store. So cute. There's a super cute one right here. It's so adorable. So I just got this. It's another, like, it's like a cheese bun thingy. Oh wait, this looks good. It looks so good. I need to come here. What the heck? The attention span of a kid. Like, I see something good and I just want to buy it. And then I forget what I want to get. What am I here for? I need to look for food. I don't know what to get. I think I give up. I'm gonna have halal guys for my food main course. My dudes, it is time to head back. I'm gonna take off my mask now. Let's go home. So I walked home and then I hopped on the call with my friend, but I wanted to show you what I got. So this is the boba. It's actually from Machi Machi. And then this is like the cheesy thingy majiggy. And then this is my halal guys.
We have the London weather. It's hot 2 minutes and then it's cold again. That looks so good. It looks cool. Is it nice?
So good. Damn. Crazy. Okay. Smells like bread. Mm.
I didn't trust that.
I mean, men can be nice, but do my makeup, shower, and then I'll come back out, and then we will spend the night together. Okay, so I finished showering, and I'm gonna go downstairs and make some tea. By the way, this is my room. It's a little bit messy right now. Can't see it. Let me know if you want me to make a room tour. I'm really bad at like making them, but I do have like my other room filmed, so if you guys want to see that, let me know, because I'm on break and I'm allowed to pamper myself. I want to do a mask. I'm gonna do another mask, but I personally like mud masks more than sheet masks. I don't know why. I think it's because you can like apply it to specific areas on your face rather than the entire face. So the one I'm gonna use today is the Mugwort Pore Clarifying Wash Off Pack. This is what it looks like, and let me show you the inside. It's so cool. So this is what it looks like. I hope you can see all the details. Like, let me show you. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna use this on my skin. I'm gonna use it on my entire face, but I'm gonna start off with the cheeks. I'm just gonna scoop some on my face, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my hand. It's like one of the most like calming masks I own. It smells really earthy. I'm not gonna apply it too close to my eyes because I don't wanna like sensitize my eyes or anything, because the skin under your eye is really sensitive. I'm just gonna let this sit on my skin and I'll wash it off in a bit. But while I am chilling with my mask on, I'm gonna edit some photos on my phone, and then I'm gonna start watching Hunter x Hunter. I think I watched one episode and I didn't like it, so I didn't keep watching. But you know, anime, like sometimes you need to watch like 2 or 3 episodes to like actually get into it, and now you're like, oh, okay, I'll watch it. But a friend asked me to watch it, so I'm gonna watch it, and you can watch that now. Okay, so it's like drying up a little bit, so I'm gonna go wash it off. My skin feels so clean. I don't know if you can tell any difference, but there is definitely a difference. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm just gonna watch Netflix until I go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and like let me know what other kind of videos you want me to make, because I have time now, so I can make a lot of videos. So let me know what you want to see. Okay, love you, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.